In this video, we are going to be converting from a decimal to scientific notation. So on this first one, the decimal is right here at the very end. And with scientific notation, we want only one number in front of the decimal between 1 and 9. So one digit, it can't be 0. So what we do is we'd move this decimal over 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would say 5.048, and you could put that in 0, but we don't actually need it since it's the last one. And then we would say times 10 to the 4th because we moved it over 4 times. And we couldn't move it over any more than that. If we moved it over more, we'd have 0.5, and this number in front of the decimal has to be 1 through 9. So that wouldn't work. So this is the correct answer. So for these bigger numbers, numbers that are greater than 1, we're going to have a positive number right here. But ones like this, over on this next example where it's a number smaller than 1, it's going to be a negative power. So we're moving the decimal the other way. So we would say 1, 2, 3, 4, and we couldn't stop right there because the number in front of the decimal would be a 0. So we have to go one more time, 5 times. So on this one, we would say 2.71 times 10 to the negative 5th. So what I like to think of is when we're dealing with a positive number, then we're dealing with a number right here that is bigger. When we're dealing with a negative exponent here, we're dealing with a number that's actually smaller than 2.71. So again, just remember, in front of the decimal, this number right here has to be 1 through 9. It cannot be 0, and it cannot be more than one digit.